Hey everyone, my name is Len and you're very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of my new doll. It's Cleo De Nile from the Skulltimate Secrets 2 line Fear-Idiscent. I am finally coming to an end of my Fear-Idiscent collecting. I only have Laguna left. The more to tell, I'm very excited about this Cleo because I've seen her pictures, of course, and I think she's one of the best Cleos that we have at this point in G3. My absolute favorite is still Monster Ball Cleo, but I think that this Cleo also slays. So the box is the typical coffin for the Skulltimate Secrets lines. We have Cleo's art representing the doll. We have 𝆪High written here in a shiny font. We have Fear-Idiscent, the name of the subline, and of course Skulltimate Secrets, the name of the collection. Behind we can see all the other characters that are included in this line, which are Laguna, Frankie, Claudine, and Draculaura. Just like all the other lockers from the Fear-Idiscent line, this one contains mostly yellow and golden tones. I think this looks very exquisite. On the part that contains the doll, we can see a gradient which goes from white up to black, and in the middle we can see a bit of yellow. Let's finally take a look at Cleo. Ooh, I'm loving her. Let's get her out. So Cleo is looking very interesting in this collection. Her hair is turquoise, fully turquoise with some golden strands. This is a very interesting decision for her hair. She kind of reminds me of 𝆪Find though. I'm also loving the face mold and the fact that she has kind of a side eye. Her eye makeup is in an Egyptian style. She has some golden eyeshadows, blue underline. Her lips are also golden and shiny. She is wearing a top with some see-through long sleeves. They are golden. The top itself imitates some bandages. She's also wearing shorts, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like them. I'm probably going to change it to whatever we get in the lockers. They are yellow, they are kind of chrome, they have a bit of ruffled sides, but the color is just not doing it for me. The boots though, I must say I absolutely love them compared to other girls monsters boots from the Skulltimate Secrets 2 collection. This is gorgeous. They are orange going into golden, and they have wings. They also have diamonds in the front. So the first locker that we are going to open is the light yellow one. And in this locker, we're getting a key hanger, which is silver. And we also are getting a pair of shoes, which are gorgeous. I'm gonna be honest, I really love them. They have an Egyptian cat right here as a part of the platform. They are also see-through. They imitate bandages. They also have some crystals. They're all sparkly. The platform itself is golden. The second locker that we get to open is the golden one. And this locker is the accessory locker. So first off, we get earrings, which are of a kind of orange-yellow color. They do have kind of like a fuzzy texture. Next up, we have a necklace, which contains 3 parts. The widest one is black, and it has a diamond. And it also has a smaller chain and a bigger chain. At the end of the bigger chain, we can get some kind of an arrow. Is this a JoJo reference? The last accessory that we're getting in this locker is a turban. It's golden. It has a scarab on it. The scarab is also orange, and I think this is a top tier accessory. Next up, we have the top locker, which is of a darker yellow color. And this is a clothing locker. First off, we get a top, and I must say I really love the details at the bottom because they are fuzzy and they match the earrings. The top itself has Egyptian writings on it. The skirt, I am not sure how do I feel about it. It's black and it has some fans or probably some plant all over it. It also has a belt which is blue. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of not having it with the skirt, and I'm not having it with the shorts. And of course, we have the fuzzy scarf that we get with every single doll from this Skulltimate Secrets Fear-Idiscent collection. This time it's white, and it has a subtle print of pyramids on it. On the inside, it also has Egyptian writings. And the last locker that we get to open is the crystal yellow one. And in this locker we get some accessories that you can play with. First of all, we have this little golden pen, which is having some bandages. And I'm not sure if it's just a pen or it is some kind of a makeup tool. We also get a mascara, which has a cat hat on it. Oh, it's actually a lipstick. We also have a lipstick, and it's golden, just like Cleo's lips in this collection. We also get an ice cream. It's really cute. It's golden, and it has some bandages and eyes. Basically, it's a mommy ice cream. And we also get a bag, which is golden. It's in the form of an eye, has a handle in the form of a snake with two hats. It also has some black patterns and stone imitation on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really like the clothing that the doll offers, but the accessories were really cool, and I'm really loving the turquoise color of her hair and her face. That kind of makes it up for me. I will see you again in the next videos. Leave a like under this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. This was 𝆪High, and bye bye!